So this is just going to be a quick video because I think I might not have put the camera script in here for the camera to follow the player. So let's take a look. And here it is. So camera controller. Again, we're just creating an empty game object. We're going to fill that slot. And we're going to get the vector 3 position of the player, the position, rotation, and scale. So when the game starts, we're going to go ahead and get that position. And then we're going to have the camera follow the player. So it's going to get the position of the camera, and then the camera is going to then follow the player. So you're going to put this on your camera. So don't drag the camera into the player. You're going to drop this script on the player, on the camera, and then because it's an empty game object, we always fill that slot. And then drag your player in. So the camera's sitting by itself. Script on the camera, drag the player in, and it'll work.